Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm with the Kyosho Javelin here. I took off the side plate, the gear cover, and you can see last time I had this out, I was running a stock 540 motor, silver can. With this pinion gear, it's kind of big, and it had no low end, and it took long to get the top end, and when I was running it, the motor was burning hot, so I'm going to see if I could find. I see focus. Come on, you thing. It's not focusing. There it is. I'm going to see if I can find a smaller pinion gear. We could put that in for next time we run it to see if it works better. If that don't work, I'm going to have to try to get another motor. I really don't want this super fast, but I got to see what pitch this gear is. Let's see what kind of pinions I got here. I don't know what pitch. I think it's 48. I'm not sure. What size is that? That's a lot smaller. This feels like it. That's a lot smaller. Let me see if I have something else. This one looks like a Robinson Racing. That's a 21. You see a size difference. That's a lot smaller too. Let me see what else I got in this bag of tricks I got here. Well, first we're going to have to take off the motor screws and see what the heck's up. Must have used thread lock on that beauty. Alright, now we're going to take this pinion gear off. I don't know what size it is. Obviously not that size. That looks like it. Now that's what was on it. So let me check my box here again. That's a lot smaller. I don't know what to go with. Alright guys, I'm back. This one is a 25 that was in it. And this one here is a 20. So we're going to go with the 20 in it. That should give the motor much more cooling. And also more torque off the line. But it'll have less top speed. So hopefully this will work. That looks perfect. It's a little bit out more. That's perfect. Alright, let me tighten this up. Alright. Now we just gotta mesh this up here and put like a piece of paper in between it. You may not have to do that. Let me see. Let me take this wheel off so I could actually see too. So 25 tooth down to is it a 20? That should be good. Let me tilt you down just a little bit. All right. Now we gotta get the mesh on here, right? So it looks like you could use this size gear. Let me just tighten it up a little bit. You just want to check this by, I know it's hard to do with this camera, but you want to check it by just rocking it. You want a little rock. Oh, not that much rocking space, but a little bit. Like that looks good. Let me just try tightening that up a little bit. And always check it around the whole gear because it could switch on you. See, that feels tight there. So what you do is, see it's loose there. What you do is go to that tight spot. Right here, I think it is. Feels a little play. I think there's a tight spot right there. Let me see. Not really. I think that's good. So let me tighten it up a little bit. Hope it don't move like they always do. Double check it. All right, now we do that over again and check it. A little play, little play, little play, little play. That looks good. I just want to make sure they're tight so we don't get no motor slippage. I don't like this wrench. It flexes too much. Let me see if I got another wrench. That's not the right size. This might be it. That's it. Oh yeah, now I could feel it was loose. Alright, that's it. Now, we got that all set up. So, 25 is kaput. And the 19, the 20 is in there. So that should be good. Now we got to put our gear cover on. Just want to go around this with some grease. Use some of this grease on there, a little tacky so it seals out. so you don't get no dust and everything in there like the sand. Just go around and splotch that on. And there you go. Just like that. Put a little bit in there. I don't see no grease in here on these gears. I wonder if I should put some. I'm going to put a little dab of this Tamiya ceramic grease on it. Maybe a big mistake though. Let me see something. I'll just go around this a little bit with a couple few dabs. Do a little bit. Now put some on here. That should be good enough to coat everything up. Just move it around a little bit. All right, now we get our greased up gear cover and put that back on. There it is. I don't know why it was so hard. And there's all sand inside. I could hear it in these out drives from when I went last time. It's all grindy. I think it actually gets in on the belt on this car. I don't think it's meant to run in pure sand like a ball field. I think it's meant to go on like a dirt track. Nothing's like them old Tamiyas. They could go on anything. So how does this go? Let me look first before I put the O-ring on. Yeah, looks like. Oops. There it goes, Steve. That's how you do it. Oh my God. What the heck am I doing? Can't see anymore. It's not down. That's the problem. I don't know why. There it is. Ah, Lord. So many years of RCs catching up with me. Just ain't the same as when you were a youngin'. If anyone says it is, when they get old, hey, they's be lying. Alright. This beauty on. Woohoo! Job done. Complete. Alrighty, guys. There she is. So now we got the stock 540 silver can like before. We're going to run 2S lipo like before. Except for now we went from the 25 pinion down to a 20. So that should keep it more cool and it should have more punch off the line. It shouldn't heat up the motor because last time the motor was heating up really bad. I don't know, the motor still looks good, so I don't think it's smoked. But there she is, Kyosho Javelin. Hope now she runs good. And we'll see whenever I get her out on the field or anywhere ever again. I don't know when I'll be riding it again. But I just wanted to try this. The next thing, if this don't work, I'm just going to get a better motor and put a smaller pinion in so it has top end and torque, but it'll run cooler. I don't want it too crazy fast. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for some time in the future. I don't know when I'll get this thing out, and we'll try it again and see how it goes. I just don't like, I never liked belt drives. I always had problems with them. Even this one, I hear it when I'm running it sometimes. It make a click, like the belt skipping, and I pulled it real tight on the adjustment. I don't know if sand's getting in there because I do run in the ball field. It's a solid sand, so who the hell knows. I'm just going to use it. If the belts blow, then I'll put the chain drive in. But there it is. Kyosho Javelin with the new pinion gear. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time, guys. Subscribe, leave a comment. If you're new watching, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Later, guys.